Did you know that elephant seals can hold their breath for about 2 hours while hunting for food? It's not as if other species are slacking, being able to hold their breath for 45 to 90 minutes, which is a lot longer than we can do. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of seals, uncovering their natural behaviors, habitats, and how humans affect them. Seals need our help, and there are little things we can all do to keep them from extinction. So let's dive into their world and see for ourselves. When we think about what is affected by climate change, we tend to think about plastic hurting turtles, coral reefs being bleached, and loss of biodiversity thanks to species going extinct. We don't immediately think of seals. Many of us don't even realize that many of them are endangered or becoming endangered. Seals are especially vulnerable to rising temperatures as they need colder temperatures to live. Many of these species thrive in the icy seas around the North Pole, and when sea temperatures rise, there isn't a lot of ice to go around. This affects some species of seal more than others, such as harp seals that rely on ice sheets to act as nurseries for their young. And there aren't many daycare options available in the wild. Another problem is that other species of fish that the seals eat are affected. Seals need a high-fat diet, and if they don't have enough food or the right kind of food, then that puts the seals and their pups in danger. Seals, of course, are not one big group. There are different species and different ways of living. Let's start with our friends, the elephant seals. These seals have complex hierarchical structures that are more complicated than our favorite historical dramas. They will meet once a year during mating season in big colonies that everyone returns to each year. Elephant seals are always loyal to their colonies. Within the colonies, there are harems of females looked over by males. Females are picky, and if they decide that a male is beneath them in status, then they won't join his harem or mate with him. Harp seals are just as social, if not more so. But they're a little more relaxed than the elephant seals. The females come onto the ice to give birth and raise their pups. The males will stay nearby, but they won't go in to mate until the pups are weaned. There may be smaller groups that have hierarchies, but it's not nearly so strict. Some species are more reclusive, like the bearded seal. We don't even know enough about them to get an accurate population number, so we may not know until it's too late if they are close to extinction. While these seals do also go on land for mating season, they don't seem to have the same harem structure other seals do. That being said, these seals are so reclusive that they might. We just haven't been able to see them yet. Males will make noises to attract females and keep away males before they dip into the water to mate. If you were a seal, which system would you prefer? Let us know in the comments. As you can see, seals are beloved, social, and endangered animals. Humans might be their main threat, but we can also help them now more than ever. All around the world, there are organizations ready to help seals when they get into trouble. Humans and seals both eat fish. The difference is that humans have become ruthlessly efficient at it, so that we can support our massive population. The nets we use are indiscriminate, and sometimes that means other wildlife is caught in the crossfire. Fishing nets aren't harmless to seals, and they can be seriously hurt, especially if they are young. This pup has just been scooped from the frigid water, having been caught in a fishing net. Without the rescuer's efforts, they could have been seriously hurt or may have even died. This pup will be doted on and healed up, and then, when they are ready, they will be released back into the wild. Others in their group weren't so lucky. The net's taking the life of the pup's mother, which is why environmental organizations now have the orphan. However, these organizations are not magic and cannot create resources out of thin air. We can all do our part to help these wonderful animals. For a start, our choices matter, whether it's choosing different, more environmentally friendly brands to buy from, or eating less meat and fish. There are simple choices we can make that help the whole planet, not just our seal friends. We can also find our local seal rescues and donate money to help them get all the resources they need to help more seals. So, what do you think? Tell us your favorite seal fact in the comments, or tell us easy changes you think we can all make to get the planet just a bit greener. If you like this video, we have more on marine life, such as the penguin, nature's biggest trolls. Subscribe so you never miss a video, and like this video if you want to see more.